Look at this beautiful pregnant woman coming down here to fetch water today. It seems she don't know today that she's not meant to be here. What do I do to her? I will do just that, my supreme mother.
Okay. Agnes, so I'm going to Kafo's house. Please prepare my food. So immediately I come back, I take my food before I have to go. What is happening? Huh?
My wife is in labor.
Hey, Ozobera.
Hi.
Where is she now? Where is she?
She's in my house. Please help me.
Hey, Agi, Ozobera. Agnes! Ozobera. Come. Leave that in too. Hey, yes.
Welcome.
And because wife is in labor. So we have to rush to his house immediately. Yeah. Get in the house now. Oh, yeah, rush. Hey. Okay. Very good at all. Yeah.
That
Don't come again. You don't start again.
Which one be your own self?
No, I better not go that side. No, just try to go that side. Right there.
What's happened? Wait.
Now, man, let's go. Mommy will work for us I beg.
Please. Why not go talk about her? I bet maybe go fetch water.
I mean, there's don't worry. Don't have your
standing there looking at me. Come and fetch your water and let's go now. They are still standing there. Elizabeth, come and fetch your water and let's go.
If you not fetch the water for me, I'll take the bucket to go and bring it.
But Mama sent two of us to the stream. Let me go fetch water. Okay now. Vamos a ver. Mañana.
What happened to your sister?
Mama asked out.
Did you people fight at the stream? Huh?
Mama told her to fetch her own water. She's there, behaving so strange.
Elizabeth, you've heard what your brother just said. Is that true? I'm asking you, is that true? Elizabeth!
Mama, it's true. Don't mind her. She will not talk again.
Talk to me now. I'm not asking you.
I don't like going to this room. I don't like
Elizabeth! Elizabeth!
No problem. Just go and pour the water in your bowl and fetch another one. I'm coming back. Oh? Let's go one.
Oh, that's what if you are coming back.
Okay, man. To push me down.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry.
If I will accept your sorry, you will buy a bottle for me. You know?
Okay, I will buy sweet for you. I will buy sweet for you.
Hey, that is my brother.
Come on. Stop.
You are? Second dish. I'll make you. Wait.
I'll pay the entire.
No, you can't. Allow me now.
You never pay enter.
You can't.
I will beat you back.
No.
Unless I give you this life. Chidimma. Chidimma. Gomo gonna club ya. Chidimma! 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 See, Chidimma, you must be mad. How many hours will it take you to come out from that house?
I don't come. No do this.
Here, go and call my brother Ndukwe for me. Within this minute. Yes, I want to see my brother Ndukwe.
Papa, I'm not the only daughter in this house. Try the next person.
Chidema. Hey, Atokwam, are you mad?
If you wish.
Go and call my brother Ndukwe for me. This is what I want from you. Nonsense.
It's not like that, though. Ekene is there, Adugo is there. I can't go that message.
Hey, come on, go and call my brother for me. Huh?
But not because of you.
Hey! Go and call Ndukwe, my brother, for me.
But next time, he just call us.
How did you get that call my brother?
Small message. Now they're supposed to go on.
Here.
You know, watch them.
Here. Oh, can't you? Oh, can't you?
But it's from those.
Giving me order that I should not call her again.
Papa,
Ogin.
Hey.
Ogin.
There is fire on the mountain. Hey.
Fire.
Hey. Yes, Papa.
Fire.
Yes, Papa.
Nah, what is the problem?
Hey. My uncle's house is on fire.
My brother's house on fire. My brother's house on fire.
Mama, it's better you carry a bucket of water to quench the fire. Oh, you do exercise today, you agree. Next time, if you want to send message, you send my junior once, the other once, to know that kind of message, not me. Fire!
That is Ndukwe, my brother. Ndukwe one in my back corner. Ndukwe one them.
Ndukwe is here.
Ndukwe.
What is that? What is the problem?
Ndukwe. In fact, there's problem. Hey.
Is there any problem?
Hey. Ndukwe, yes. Hey. No, now I'm happy. My daughter, I sent my daughter to come and call you.
Hi.
Ndukwe. My daughter came back and told me that your house, your entire house is on fire. Even you are beating your wife to death. Even you have given her the beating of her life.
That's what she said. Hey.
Even your children. Hey. But now I've seen with my eyes. There's nothing. There's nothing. Everywhere is crap.
Omeniko, listen, let me tell you. Your daughter came here. Omeniko, listen.
Thank you, Omunem. Thank you.
She did not even greet anybody. As I was talking to her, she started twisting her waist like this.
No quite twist.
And left. That's all.
No quite twist. Come on, now, get woman.
It's a land.
I'm feeling everywhere is calm. And your husband is in the farm. Look, I must be her today.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Children of nowadays. That's how they go.